Hi all, let us discuss about parliamentary form of government. So in India, we are following a parliamentary form of government. So let us go into the details of this particular form of government. So in a parliamentary form of government, executive is directly responsible to the legislature. So let us take the case of India. Here we can see that the Prime Minister and his cabinet and his council of ministers are responsible to the legislature. So legislature means the parliament and specifically the Lok Sabha. If legislature passes a no confidence motion, the government has to resign. That means if a no confidence motion is passed in the Lok Sabha or the parliament, the government has to resign. So that is why executive is directly responsible to the legislature. And the concept of this form of government is originated in Great Britain. And we knew that we Indians were under the rule of Britishers, or India was a colony of Britain. So we have adopted many policies from the Great Britain. And the parliamentary system of government also we have adopted from British government or British constitution. Then some of the important features of parliamentary system of government. One is nominal and real executive. So the existence of nominal and real executive. So please listen carefully, because in the further slides also the same thing will be repeated. In such a system, nominal executive can be a monarch or a president, and the real executive is the Prime Minister and his council of ministers. Let's take two examples. One is Britain and one is India. In India, the nominal head is our president and the real head is our Prime Minister. In Britain, the nominal head is the monarch or the Queen, and the real head is the Prime Minister. So in parliamentary system, Prime Minister is the head of the government. He is the most important person in the cabinet. His resignation leads to the fall of entire ministry, and he is the creator and destroyer of the cabinet. Same thing. So because he is the main person or the important person in a cabinet, his resignation will lead to the fall of entire ministry, and he is the creator and destroyer of the cabinet, because he nominates the members, the member of parliament as the ministers to the president. Then collective responsibility. All ministers are collectively responsible and answerable to the parliament for their actions. So ministers are responsible to the parliament. They have to answer the questions raised by the parliament in committees or in sessions. So they are answerable to the parliament for their actions. Then another important feature is secrecy. Because cabinet is the apex body of decision making in a particular country, their discussions should be kept as private and they work as a team. The privacy of its proceedings are very important. Then political homogeneity. So homogeneity means that similarity. The members of the cabinet belongs to the same political interest, so they can easily work as a team. So there will be very less difference of opinion in the cabinet. That is why political homogeneity is existing in such a system. Then solidarity. Cabinet comes into office as unit and goes out of office as a unit. The cabinet swims and sings as a unit. Very important. It's an important statement. Cabinet swims and sings as a unit. It always functions as a single unit. That is what it is mentioning. So here we were discussing about the parliamentary system of government, and two countries which are following the parliamentary system are India and Britain. We have adopted, that means Indians adopted this system from Great Britain, because India